Hey guys, pity. Oku adili born ito. Hey, if it's evangelist, he will say Oku adili born ito. Guys, I would like you to watch this video. This video, yes, the person used Igbo language. Just watch this video. I'll come back and use English to interpret it, okay?
So that day, I measure open heaven. Only my prayer point, when you're going to that place, I will, God, show me if this person is for me. So that day, 10th Aga, 11th Aga, on 12th, open heaven, Ebuka mentioned my case.
Have you heard it?
Okay. You can send a record from the scene for testimony.
I may attach with this video. Help me on and then I watch him. How many minutes from this video? Because I may attach a letter. Send it to me.
Don't worry, me send the record. Ebuka mentioned my case. He called my name Uchechi. That is a man here now. The marriage, the date, if go the date.
Guys, you have heard it.
Ebuka said no if go date. Uche if go date and and another thing na the case na tokumegu. Since you wait about ruota, ayibe mu di mad. And my prayer na mad aya high in kemo. So and this guy anubu na why ya na we divorce ya, and that is not my prayer. Oyin aworo yen bere. If this person I
know.
So only I why before. Yeah, we say I'm not here and go gram come. So my friends are not saying the word saying we had divorce. This one, divorce, this one. Still is not yet my mind, but that's your man from God. That's when you were that. When you that prophecy that night. Allah September 12th, can the message be? I record him the voice note. I hold them on my phone today. Call my name Uchechi. Then we marry this date. ABC go the date. That man is about to come. Uchechi don't go. Uchechi don't go. If you go, you will cry. This man you want to marry has married before. Okay, you now. I am now. I swear to God. You can marry up. That's never go fake. Yeah, fake.
My brother.
My friend money have been no. How day now this person alola wine before. And what on young gwalo? Even he are not between me and God and don't the guy. I swear to God, he edged him to move one year. And what on your man? So yeah. Last Sunday, the young man was crying on the altar. Now I said because of the mother name, because it's too much. They are dragging that man. My prayer for him is this: if at all no man let Zion scatter. But open up Chineke God is the divinity.
My friend. Voice record money when you stop reaching my friend, my tight friend. Oh,
they stop reaching me and a man a queer.
When I put a phone, I stop where I call that here a phone. It's up where a phone. Get a voice. Like this. I'm social media. The guy helps you. Food.
Because family because I
social media I'm
how did everything started? When you think RNG?
Yeah.
I believe my spirit, my 100%, my spirit will accept. I don't pray and that. God works. There's a miracle. A living testimony that the whole world. I'm a living testimony that the whole world. How I came who I am today, I don't know. You go, I'm nobody. I am nobody. But how before I'm afraid, can you get that way?
Sorry.
But
Okay.
stop reaching my tight friend. That time, I'm a man make better like this. Every capital I go, but I'm the thing here I say anointing and a good man. Oh man, more.
I'm not in a brook huh?
That I'm never roll like this. My passport in them, I don't think my brother. I never be there. I'm gonna Ebuka Obi. I heard before. I talked to him before. Man, that guy was a real man of God. He ain't that man that call. I'm not the man who this guy, you know.
I'm telling
I don't
you.
mean why. I don't know why. Let's tell me the child. I don't know why he hated. I don't know why he's hatred on this guy.
Too much.
Too much on only why. Only why for that matter.
I don't know.
In Yoruba land, and when the pastors, that minister our church, that minister will a prayer ground. Come and pray yourself out.
Exactly.
But I take this young man as if no one would the problem of Nigeria. No, it could be the problem of Nigeria. Emergent, this kind of way Matthias will bastard that come.
Very soon.
Onye ahụ aka ehego ya enwezi ihe ọma ọ na-eme ọ na-achọ ebe ọ na-ejide aka achọ ndị oyibo akwụrụ.
All the peace stuff. All the peace stuff. I'm a young man.
Problem Matthias, oh yeah,
I don't know what in here this guy man the mad. Ebuka Obi everywhere. Ebuka Obi. I don't even follow. I don't even follow. I don't even follow. Wine in the mad or something like that. Every day don't show me that Ebuka Obi. I cannot swear for him. I cannot come after that. But let them leave the young man alone. Help this young man alone. I will not only invite this man like this to whole world. Ebuka Obi, and when you're there, let them leave this young man alone.
For those of you that come here and say arrange, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, arrange did this, arrange do that. You have heard it from the lady, what she was saying, for the sake of those that doesn't hear Igbo. The lady said there's a man that was coming for her hand in marriage. In fact, everything the date has been fixed and everything. But her problem is that she said, according to her, that she has prayed for a long time. She has been praying and been telling God that she doesn't want anybody that is married. Because all through her life, that she has not dated a married man. And she does not want anybody that's married to come to her. You understand? But this man that wants to marry her is a divorcee. Does she know why they divorced his wife, his ex-wife? Something like that. It's only the one the man told her that she knows. So to her, she's not convinced. Because she has been praying all this like, God, I need my own man. I have not dated any married man before. I don't want story. So the thing has been giving her thought. So she now started to go to Zion Ministry to pray. She said her prayer topic is just for God to review and tell her if this marriage, that she should go on with the marriage or not. So that's the thing. So she said she prayed and prayed that day. That day she came to, the day she came to Zion Ministry, she prayed. And that was the only prayer topics that she had. She was praying and asking God to please direct her. God, please help her to make the right choice, that she doesn't want to make a mistake. During the open heaven at night, that very day, she joined the open heaven. Lo and behold, the man of God, the prophet of our time, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, mentioned her name. Uchechi. She said her name is Uchechi. Evangelist called her name. So how many times? Uchechi, you're about to marry. And everything, the date has been fixed. Everything has been settled. This, that. But that marriage, if you enter into that marriage, if you marry that man, you will end up regretting it. Don't go ahead. This man has married before. He's a divorcee. And the date has been fixed for this marriage. Don't go. The man of God mentioned her name. She said she was shocked. She said she was shocked. She was like, what? And that was the only prayer topic that brought her to Zion Ministry. She was shocked. She was like, God, so you remembered me. And she did not tell anybody about it. It was even her friends. They didn't know that the man has been married before. It was something that she buckled inside. She's think that she has been battling and be praying that she doesn't want to make a mistake. Her family does not know that the man is married before. It was only the man's family that knows. But just like that, the man of God mentioned her name. That was what she was saying. That is to show that he is a real man of God. Nothing like RNG. Now, if you listen to the other guy, the guy was like saying that guy that the thing happened to, the one that Evangelist Ebuka Obi prophesied to the wife, the husband of the lady is his very close friend, his tight friend. That he knew when everything happened. He knew how the guy used to take care of the mother. Because the mother came out and said that the children deserted her, left her, and she was suffering. The guy said that he knew when everything, even when prophet prophesied about the wife's health. According to this guy, he said it's because of that his friend that made him to start coming to Zion ministry. When he has not started Zion ministry, that nothing was happening. Nothing was even happening around him. That things were so difficult. Nothing. It was when he now started attending, going to Zion ministry, that things now started turning around for good. Things started working out for him. So guys, why am I explaining all these things? I see that people are coming out to testify what God has been using Evangelist Ebuka Obi, what God has been using him to do for them. For people that will come out and say arrange, that he is arranging, what is he arranging? If he's arranging, will he fool everybody? He will fool people from America, everybody all over the world. Do you know how American people used to come? The American, Canada, UK, name them, learned and intelligent people. So one person will fool everybody. And none of them will know anything. None of them will be brainwashed. No, now. So that is why I want you guys to share this video. Let it go viral. This is what this lady said, and this is what the other guy said. Because of Matthias, this man that they are calling Matthias, I don't know his problem. That man, that's non-entity, because that man is nobody. That man that they arrested him and told him that he should not mention Zion ministry. He should not mention Ebuka Obi. He was arrested by Zion, and the agreement there that even if he wants to do anything, say whatever he's doing, Ezoku, or whatever they are doing, their traditional thing they are doing, he should not mention anybody's name. But if you watch it, that this man is keep on mentioning, even if he has not called Evangelist Ebuka Obi, but what is he saying? Everything. The woman that came out and complained, is it not he complained that Evangelist Ebuka, his prophecy scatter his home? Is it not about Evangelist Ebuka Obi? The doctor that came out say something, it's not about Evangelist Ebuka, but this young man called Matthias Esak, he came out because I don't know why somebody cannot mind his own business. He came out and started castigating, talking rubbish about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Why are you people even making it a topic? After the prophecy, after the prayer, when the man of God decided to pray that the thing sent it back to the sender. Whoever that did that to that lady, he should go back to sender. That was after that in the mother than I had that thing on her leg. Which they said I've carried out to places. Exactly what happened. Why? And according to your son, he said that they have been taking care of. They even sent you money. Even their uncle, they have been taking care. That he has carried it to places. And the thing is, no way, nobody can cure it. Then why are you coming out that you say the prophecy that Evangelist Ebuka Obi gave is scattering your family, that scattered your family? Somebody gave prophecy, all of a sudden, what happened to your daughter-in-law now came to you and start happening to you. So what do you want them to think? Why must it be you? Why must it be you? You have not said it. You have not said the truth, though. You saying that they should come and call Evangelist to come and prophesy again. That if it's you, they should use stone. That one is just, you should catch a thief. They will say, they even swear with their life. That's if you go to law court, you see somebody that did something, the person will be there. The person will even swear with his or her life. That is not the one. He even swear with Bible. So you saying that the man of God, you know that Evangelist Ebuka Obi does not have that time to come and be telling them it's you or it's not you. He does not have that time. You use your tongue and count your teeth. Why must that thing come to you, return to you? Why must it be? Why won't it be another person or outsider? Why did it come to your leg? You are healthy and sound. And after the prophecy, the thing now happened to your leg. Now, you people are coming out and be saying, why are you people attaching Evangelist Ebuka Obi to this thing? Somebody prophesy. The person did not mention them. Uh-huh. And after praying, the person that he prophesied to got healed, and the thing was returned, and all of a sudden he now happened to be on the mother-in-law's but the thing now returned to the mother-in-law. All of a sudden, the thing now they'll happen to see that thing on the leg of the mother-in-law. It now became the exact sickness. Now became the exact sickness the mother-in-law is suffering from. The woman now got healed, and the mother-in-law started suffering the same illness. Guys, people should. It's not because we are saying prophecy this, but we should just look into this and reason it maturely. Why is it that all of a sudden the same sickness came to the mother-in-law exactly like that? Why must the sickness come to their mother? Why wouldn't the sickness go to another person? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Thank you guys. Bye. This is all I have to